Hello, this is Brad Wilson with Berkshire Hathaway Realty here in Anchorage, Alaska. I have another home tip for you that you're going to find very, very helpful. So if you've ever noticed on the bottom of a vinyl window, most modern homes here in Anchorage have vinyl windows, and they're sliders. You notice down here in the lower track, both the sides, there's lots of dirt that's down here, and sometimes that's really hard to clean out. Well, today I'm going to show you the easy way to do that. So on your window itself, slide it over, lift up on it, drop it down, and drop the window out and put it to the side. Now, I have a little tool here, it has a little hook on it, 90-degree turn. And all you do is just go down here to the end, pull it up, and the track pops right out, just like that. So now all that dirt and grime, you just take this, take it to your tub, clean it out, wipe it down with a rag, and then we'll put it back in. I'll be back here in just a second. Okay, now you can see that I cleaned this all out right here, and now it's time to pop this railing back in. So all you do is just slide it up here and pop it back into place. Leave a little gap here on this one end, this end right down here, so it's easy to pull back out later. And then just take it and snap it into place. Now that I have the railing in place, something else I like to do before I put the window in is I wash the outside of the window, and I wash the outside of the window for the glass that I just took out, so it's really easy to do because I'm on the second story right now. So we're just going to take this window and slide it back in. There we go. That is a super easy to clean the railing for your vinyl window in your home. Well, I hope you can use this tip. This is Brad W. Wilson at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Realty here in Anchorage, Alaska. Thanks a lot and have a great day.